25 years my life is still trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should that the whole world's made up of this brotherhood of man, whatever that means. And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out what's in my head, and I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake up in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream up top of my lungs, what's going on? And I said, hey, 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 yeah, yeah, hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I said, hey, 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 yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? Hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawthings again with another interesting lesson hopefully for you. A classic oldie from a band called Four Non Blondes, and the song's called What's Up. Standard tuning, no capos, doing the same key as the original version I believe. Okay, so very simple chord wise this song. It's just basically A, B minor, or a simple B minor or a bar chord B minor, or that, and a D chord. Now obviously there's two instruments, there's obviously a rhythm and also there's a lead guitar playing on this as well. So I tried to combine the two for an intro, okay, and an instrumental bit. Okay, so what I started off with is this. It goes, and I'm starting on the 5th fret of the top second string, the second string on the 5th fret with pinky. To a lazy A, okay, that's barring the 2nd fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings, first finger, open 5th down to the 2nd string. The reason I'm using that, you could use a top E string open if you want to, but I think that sounds better. Okay, if you wanted to get really clever, the first one you could sort of do a rake. That sort of thing. But anyway, just that. And then you do a single hit on that second, on the 3rd. So that single note. Then you go to the B minor, 5 bar chord 5 down, or a 4th string simple B minor. Okay, 4 down to 1 on that one. So far. Now we do this. Right, so it's a hammer from 2 on the 4th string to 4 on the 4th string, then the 2nd on the 3rd, back to the 4th on the 4th, right, and then you do that again, hammer from 2 to 4 on the 4th, up to the 2nd on the 3rd. So far we've got so what have we got? And when you get to that 2nd on the 3rd, and you hammer up to the 4th on the 3rd, so it's okay, and then you slide it up to the 6th on the 3rd and back again. So it's and then do to a D. So it's up to that, end up on that second on the third, sorry. So let's do that again. So second on the fourth to the fourth on the fourth, hammer. Second on the third, back to the fourth on the fourth. Then you repeat the hammer from 2 to 4 on the fourth to second on the third, but this time hammer up to the fourth on the third. So then slide that up to the 6th on the third, back to the fourth on the third, and then to the second on the third. Slowly. So far we've got D, and this very nice little piece, that's after you've done the D, you go second on the third to third on the second. Right, second on the third to third on the second, back to second on the third. Then you do a hammer from the first on the second to the second on the second. Sorry. Right. Second on the third to third on the second, second on the third, first on the second, hammer up to the second on the second, to the A. And you just repeat. Right. Then the singing comes in, okay? So the whole intro that I came up with as a combination of both guitars is this, very, very slowly. And the singing kicks in. 25 years, 25 years, life is still B minor, trying to get up that great big hill, D octave, for a destination. Repeat. I realised quickly that I knew I should, that a B minor of the third is brotherhood of D man, whatever that A means. Carry on. So I cried sometimes when I lie in B minor, just to get it all out, what's in my head, and D high. I feel a little bit achy. Repeat, and I swing morning and I step outside and I take a big breath and I get real high and I scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on? It's all the same. A, B minor, D, all the way round. Just keep going round, round, and round, okay? So let's do that from the beginning again. 25 years and my life is still trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination. I realised quickly when I knew I should that the whole world's made up of this brotherhood of man, whatever that means. Pre-chorus. And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed, just to get it all out, what's in my head. I've been a little peculiar. And so I wake up in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on? Right, chorus. same chords, and I say hey, 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 and I say hey, what's going on? And I said hey, 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 I said hey, what's going on? Instrumental. Obviously there is more to the song, but it just basically repeats more of the same. Okay, there's nothing else for me to show you. So that's it. Hopefully, boys and girls, hope you enjoyed that. Something a little different, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.